Hi, this is Boris, Sketchman Boris. I should just stick to Sketchman Boris because I don't want to confuse people. So I'll just refer to myself from now on as Sketchman Boris. So I'm Sketchman Boris. I just bought some comics from my favorite used bookstore, DASA. I also bought other books, but let's be honest, I just wanted to talk about comics. So I really love Robert Crumb. If you haven't noticed, like from the videos, I don't know. I just find his honesty and his penmanship really impressive. And so when I saw this, I had to pick up because I'm more of a cartoonist and the fan of cartoonists and the fan of the comic art form itself than comics, if that makes sense. Maybe that's a cop out, but that's the truth. Like I don't follow runs. I don't collect books. I just buy books to read them. And like I don't. That's why I prefer used books because first of all, I want to support used bookstores. And also, I don't know. It's just there's something about like having the choice already made for you. Like if I go to a new bookstore, there are so many choices, and of course it's cheaper. But if I go to a new bookstore, I also buy books, but it's just there are so many choices you don't really want to buy anything. But for when I go to the used bookstore, um, there's already a choice already made for me. It's already pre-selected, so to speak, and it's very random. I mean, there are some books that stay there for a long time, and I say, okay, I can get to this later. I can spend money on this later. But sometimes I see these things and I want to buy them immediately. So it says comments from contemporaries. That's what was really interesting. And so it's Arkram, the life and times of Arkram. So it's mostly, interesting enough, it's mostly text. And you can see the list of artists that are giving their opinion or like their exposure to Robert Crumb. And just to cite a little bit, of course, the foreword done by Matt Groening, Terry Gilliam, Jay Lynch, Will Eisner. I'm just saying the people I know. Spain Rodriguez, Jim Woodring, Alan Moore, Daniel Klaus, Roger Ebert. Who else? I mean, Ralph Steadman, Richard Sala, like Doug Allen. I mean, Jim Jarmusch. So it's a really great and the thing that I love listening to artists interviews and so on, and I love people, of course, talking about their process and so on. But what I like even more is artists geeking out over other artists, like their masters, and that's why I bought this book. And actually, I've already read Matt Groening's like forward, and it's amazing. Anyway, so I'll do video on this because I stopped making videos on comics. I think I should start again because I love comics. I want to fill my channel with a lot of things. Um, I'm writing a story about ghosts, and I know it's not mine is like a. So this is called Five Ghosts. I've never heard of it. I just picked it up because it's volume 1, so I know that's the beginning of the story. If it's good, I'm going to continue in like, and also what was um, really interesting is the art style. It's just this really rough art style, which I really love. And who's the so the yeah so art is by Chris Mooneyham. I've never heard of him, but I like this rough kind of style here. Like that, I mean, I think you all can already guess, but like maybe it's the colors and so on. But this kind of reminds me of David Mazzucchelli. But like, no, not David Mazzucchelli, the art style, but the David Mazzucchelli's Bruce Wayne from Batman Year One. So basically, the Five Ghosts, I guess, it's about these 5 ghosts from different, like, I know that this is Sherlock Holmes, but I don't, maybe I have to read, maybe this is a Robin Hood. Is this like a samurai or something? Someone, vampire. I don't know, it just looks cool. Published by Image. And again, I'm not, I don't have a lot of money. I'm a cartoonist, guys. So I just bought 3 books. This is for the whole month. I have other books to read anyway. I just have a lot of non-fiction books to read for my philosophy and literary groups. So this is called Work is Hell by Matt Groening, of course. I don't need to tell you who Matt Groening is, but yeah, he started off as a cartoonist, right? Like, so I just wanted to see, like, it was a really interesting format for comics. So I just wanted to explore this, because one of the first comics that I've done that is not published, but I hope it will get published somewhere, somehow, is I've done a comic book about, not a comic book. I did a short story, kind of like a gag, just a bunch of jokes in the office, like small things that I've noticed. But hopefully I'll be able to publish that point. But so anyway, I wanted to read, because you don't find this kind of stuff in new bookstores, because you just find oddities, like my friend said. So yeah, that's all I wanted to. So things to look forward to. I'll definitely cover Robert Crumb's book, but so far these are the 3 that I bought today. Thank you for watching, and hope you like content, and I'll see you in one of my next videos. Bye.